Aluminium, the metal of today and the metal of the future. It is in huge demand worldwide and found everywhere, from your kitchen to science laboratories creating global innovations. The Kingdom of Bahrain was the first in the Middle East to realize aluminium's global potential, along with its capability to provide valuable export earnings. Oil, first discovered in Bahrain, and a prime export to the fuel-hungry nations of the world, brought with it prosperity. But an alternative source of income was needed, in part due to the dwindling pearl industry. And so the Middle East's first aluminium smelter was born. Aluminium Bahrain.
We improved the efficiency in Alba through several approaches. One way is to benchmark ourselves against the best practices, see where do we stand, and take necessary steps to move forward. On the other hand, we have very competent staff who comes up with innovative ideas and improve further. They think out of the box.
At Alba, everything begins and ends with the welfare of its people and the community at large. Safety is a state of mind. With around 2,700 staff, 87% of them Bahrainis. Alba's dedication to maintaining its standard of operations at an international level is second to none. Alba's safety achievements prove themselves with awards from global watchdogs, such as the prestigious British Safety Council and the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents. Alba's experience as the first smelter in the Middle East has helped us to evolve to meet the demands of our clients. Our relentless ambition to provide aluminium of the highest standard, combined with the fact that around 50% of our products are exported globally, also drives our development as leaders at the forefront of the international aluminium industry. Alba produces more than 860,000 metric tons of aluminium every year. To create optimal and dependable output, Alba utilizes its own eco-friendly combined cycle system that generates 2,265 megawatts of electricity via 4 power stations. The waste heat from this process is used to make steam, which then generates additional electricity. Alba's commitment to reducing global warming worldwide has seen us invest $130 million in fume treatment plants and $21 million in flue gas desulfurization. We operate at 99.5% efficiency in the prevention of emissions escaping into the atmosphere. Alba's aluminium and its use of cutting-edge technology creates products with purity standards of up to 99.9%, undergoing rigorous testing to ensure that they will meet and exceed client expectations. Around 50% of Alba's total aluminium is used by local downstream aluminium manufacturers, creating the opportunity for the Bahrain economy to thrive.
Alba is a life form in itself. When you come in the morning, you see people, employee coming in, they are smiling. When they go, they have a daily challenges to meet, daily work to do. There's a tough environment out there. But in the end of the day, when they are leaving, you still see them smiling. And that is why you have a satisfied employee, a satisfied employer, and that is the reason why the Alba is one of the leading smelter in the world.
Alba is one of only 2 smelters in the world with its own petroleum coke calciner. Alumina and green petroleum coke are sourced worldwide and brought to Alba's marine terminal, where green coke is processed to create calcined petroleum coke. Alba's calciner is the first and only calcined coke plant that has a completely covered and eco-friendly green coke storage facility on site. To be energy efficient and sustainable, Alba has its own desalination plant. The rest of this precious commodity goes to Bahrain's local water supply. This potable water meets the World Health Organization's strict regulations. Another example of world-class standards from a world-class smelter with a community conscience. Since its inception, Alba has spent hundreds of millions of dollars on technology to reduce its impact on the environment, recycling water for its own use via its 90,000 square meter Princess Sabika Oasis, which also holds Bahrain's largest artificial lake. This lake irrigates the 7,600 trees found all over the plant and also supplies water to Alba's vegetable gardens, whose crops are given to employees. Alba's commitment to the environment has earned it worldwide recognition from the United Nations Environment Protection Award to the Millennium Business Award for Environmental Achievement. Alba invests in its people through training designed to make them amongst the most highly skilled in the industry worldwide. Influenced by the local culture of warmth and generosity, Alba's employees and their loved ones are treated like family, inside and outside of the workplace, with scholarships for children of employees and memberships at Alba's recreational facility, the Alba Club, for all family members. Alba was the first organization to start a trade union and currently has one of the largest unions in Bahrain.
When you join Alba, you don't feel like you joined an aluminium producing company. You feel like you joined a new family. You see everybody around Alba, they have a sense of care for each other. It's a sense of belonging. If you go to the shop floor, you will see everybody smiling, happy, they have ownership, they're open to talk, and they care about each other. And this is what makes us so special, and this is what makes Alba one of the leading companies who produces aluminium in the world. And that's what makes it so special. Alba family.
Alba is committed to quality in all aspects of our business, from metal production to staff safety and eco-friendly processes, along with our dedication to customer service. This focus on quality has helped us to garner the trust of industry insiders and expand our reach internationally to produce aluminium for the world. Alba, aluminium for the world.